guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a whole bunch of goodies. It was a Sephora sale. It's actually going on until tomorrow. So I want to get this sort of put out there in case there's any last minute purchases that you want to do. So I did pick up quite a few items. Some are restocked, some are some new items that I really want to try. I have some other items, some Korean skincare that I picked up from a Canadian boutique. I have something from Adidas. And I also have a new handbag to show you, which I think is going to be the perfect warm weather handbag. A really great handbag you can use from day to night. This might actually become my new sort of dressy evening bag because I have been using my YSL blogger bag consistently throughout the years, but I think that this will be a really great alternative for an evening handbag. So let's start, let's start with the handbag first because honestly, it's too good not to share first. It is by the brand Ailier Madre. They kindly sent this over. I'm not being sponsored or anything like that. They just so kindly sent this handbag over to me. I did get to choose. It was really difficult to choose too because there's so many fun, unique styles. So if you aren't familiar with Ailier Madre, it is run by Manuel Driesman. They are a Barcelona-based leather atelier and they focus on really minimalist, timeless designs. And you can actually go into the store and watch your handbag or your leather good, or they do home items as well. I know they just dropped a yoga mat and you can actually watch it being made in front of you. And it just looks like a really fun environment. If you look at their Instagram or their TikTok, it just looks like a fun place to work. I would love to work there, honestly. I just feel like everyone is so chill and so cool. And yeah, anyway, go and check out their Instagram. But they create a ton of timeless pieces that, like I said before, are really unique. Like not that you would sort of see from a lot of the handbag brands because I feel like everyone kind of makes the same items, but theirs are really cool. So I do have this handbag from last year, and this is the Saka bag, and they make it in various sizes. I believe this is just the regular Saka bag, but there's a bigger one, there's a mini one. So as you can see, it is kind of, the woven leather is reminiscent of Bottega Veneta, but not the Bottega Veneta price point, but you are getting the same quality. And it's beautiful, it's stunning inside. You can adjust the strap as well. You can see the detail and the leather up close, but they do use full grain leather and it is vegetable tan. So a lot of the lighter colors as well will just patina and age beautifully. So the new handbag came in this cute little box, which also says Madre here, and which is really cool. I can use this little box for storage later, but I like that they use sort of the extra pieces of leather for that added touch. And let me show you this new handbag that I picked up. So this is so cute. I have looked at it. This is not a true unboxing because I looked at it. Okay, this is the little pine bag or the pine tote. So this is the smallest of sort of the pine collection. I know that they just came out with a crossbody, but I wanted this little cutie. I decided to go with the black. I was going between the cobalt blue and the black because I know cobalt blue is so in and on trend, and I just thought it'd be a really fun piece, especially when I travel because I wear a lot of neutrals. But tried and true, I'm always gonna go towards a black handbag just because I feel more comfortable with it. It's easy for me to pair with everything. But can we look at this little cutie here? So you can see it has the little rivets, the gold rivets there on the back as well as the front. It's these kind of longer straps that you typically wouldn't see. I want to see if it could fit over my shoulder. I mean, it does, but it's pretty tight. I wish it was like a tiny bit longer. I think if you were in store, they could probably customize the strap drop for you, but she's cute the way she is. We're not gonna lie, she's adorable. Again, a very minimal style. It just says Madre there, which I love minimal branding. And just the detail, I think it's so cool with how the leather is woven. And while she's petite, you can fit a ton in there. So I do have my phone, which is the iPhone 16 Pro, I believe. She fits in. I just grabbed a couple of things out of my work bag. It's after work, I'm exhausted, but we're gonna do this. I have this little Louis Vuitton key pouch in the small size. I forgot to take that out. That's just their little card. And then that fits in as well. If you wanted to, you could also put a little card holder too, and that all fits in, right? And then on the side, I could definitely slip it in a lip gloss. I could put something else in there, but she's just a cute handbag. And like I said, I think she's gonna be perfect for evening. It is so cute and so petite. This reignites my love for mini bags. I mean, I don't think it ever truly left, but I kind of am in my big bag era. And that's why I opted for this cute little mini pine tote. Just adorable. It's so adorable. The price point of this is also much nicer than a lot of those bigger luxury houses. So I will link this handbag down below. I'll also link the Saka bag as well as just their general website. But thank you to Ailier Madre for sending me this cute little piece. Cannot wait to use it. And then let's go on to Sephora. I have 2 boxes that I got from Sephora and they are heavy. So first thing I picked up is from Topicals. So this is the Faded Brightening Bundle. I do have the Faded Brightening Clearing Serum, and I have tried the eye mask, which it comes with one, and it comes with a bar soap. So I don't know if you guys could ever see this, but I had a really bad flare-up of psoriasis, and it discolored my skin. The medication that they gave me, it completely discolored my skin, which was terrible, but it has faded significantly. As you can see, I actually have a psoriasis flare-up over here, and it's because I was using the Faded serum on it nightly, and it improved dramatically. I wish I had taken a picture of the before so you could see what it looks like now, because it has changed dramatically. If you watch some of my older videos, maybe you'll see it. But I did also recommend this to my friend and she picked it up too. Cannot stop raving about it, and I'm excited to try the soap. The soap is full size. And then I also picked up this, which is by, I never know how to pronounce her name. I think it's Josie Marin or Josie Maran, but it is the Body Butters, and it's the little minis, which Sephora, I have 2 of them, and Sephora used to give them out as 100, I think, point perks, which they don't do now. And I think I actually got one as a gift with purchase with a minimum spend. But these are amazing. So I've tried this one here, which is Topless Tangerine, as well as the Vanilla Vibes. I have not tried this one, which is their Golden Hour. I've read so many good things about it, all the reviews, but I love these in my purse because they are really kind of slim and streamlined, as you can sort of see there. They fit into everything, and you can get every last little bit of lotion out because it is in these little squeezy bottles. They also make refills, so you can refill your lotions as well, but I really like it. The smell, while they smell really nice, they're not the kind of lotion that really lingers and sort of competes with your perfume. And then this I picked up for my friend. It's her birthday coming up, and I thought to get her something a little bit fancy, a little bit bougie. I typically wouldn't buy Prada because they do test on animals, but I got her this lip set, and it's just the lip balms. So you can see there, it comes with 3 different lip balms. So the Universal, which is the green, and then they have the Astral Pink, which I believe it's blue, but I think it really relies on, what is it, your pH? It changes depending, I don't know, on the warmth or whatever of your lips. And then it also has the Banana Yellow, which I know everyone was going crazy for. So I thought it's a really kind of cute gift. It's quite expensive. I think it was $65 for the 3 of them, and I think the 3 together by weight equals 1, and which is $65 as well. But thought that was a cute present for her. And then I also picked up the Fenty Beauty You Mist, which Judy Lim, who I follow on TikTok and Instagram, she's a makeup artist, she recommended this one, so I decided to go for it. She said it's really good, and I love a good setting spray or a good face mist. I picked up a couple of the Sephora favorites because I think that they're really good value, and if you get an additional 20% off, why not? So this is the Korean skincare must-haves. I know that there are, I think there's only 1 full size or a couple full size in here. And the main one that I wanted to try is the, how do I open this? This is sealed. Really, I need scissors to do this. I have no scissors by me, but it does come with one full-size serum there. And then it comes with a couple of masks that are full-size. I don't really like a lot of the sheet masks, but it also has Glow Recipe, it has Haniel, it has Innisfree, it has Cosrx. It has so many good products in here. So I'm always down to try new Korean skincare, and it's really good for when you travel. And then I, in addition, picked up this one, which is the Golden Hour. And this one is valued at $264, $65 Canadian, but again, you know, 20% off. So this one here has a full size of the Pharmacy serum, which is a hyaluronic acid serum. So just gonna be helpful for my moisturizing and just hydrating my skin. But it also has the Dr. Dennis Gross AHA BHA cleanser, which I love. And then I also want to get it because it has the In Beauty eye cream, which is also this one here. I have two that are this size. They're 7 mils. Amazing. So good. Love it. And then it also has these Hue drops here, which are by Glow Recipe. I use those every single day on my skin. And then, I mean, it has Tatcha. It has so many good items in here. So I'm excited to have that as well. Oh, I got this, which is a freebie. So if you spent $100, then you could add this. And you could also stack it with the 20% off. So these are by the brand Diff, which I didn't know about until I saw this and I sort of looked it up because I wasn't sure what style they were, but this is, I believe, the Indie. So Diff seems to be pretty well loved and it seems like a pretty good brand. So I'm excited to get these. Let's see how they look. I saw someone comment that they look like the 3D glasses that you get at the movie theater, but ooh, I think these will work. I think these are gonna work. Hopefully. Okay, these are cute. I like these. I love like a black acetate. You know me, I tend to go towards a cat eye. This is that rectangle style, but they're cute. I like them. They feel like they're pretty good. Oh no, why is it? It has the Sephora symbol. Ew, I don't like that. Can I take it off? I feel like maybe if I have some acetone, it could take it off. I don't want to walk around with the Sephora symbol. So, I mean, they were free. So I'm definitely not going to hate on that. But if you were able to get this, I don't think it was Canada only. And then it says Sephora and Diff. And then it has this, you know what? It was free. I keep telling myself that. And then I picked this up. This is a body wash. It's by Youth to the People. This is what Andrew uses. This is probably better than the Aesop one that I use. I tend to find that this one doesn't feel drying on my skin at all. And I really like it. So that's for Andrew. He actually needs a refill of that pretty soon. And then I picked up the Easy Bake, as you can sort of see there, by Huda Beauty. This, I have the banana. However, I did my color analysis. I am a winter. I believe I'm a deep winter, if I'm correct. And I have an olive undertone, which as an Asian person, you grow up and you believe, because everyone tells you, that you have a yellow undertone. For the longest time, so many different blushes on me would turn like this weird pinky orange color. And I was like, why is this happening? So all my concealers now, olive tone, it's like chef's kiss, it's perfect. But I read that this is really good for olive skin tone girls as opposed to the banana bread. So this is in peach pie. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how it works. And then I also picked up this bronzer, which is by LYS Beauty. I do have two of their blushes. Again, this is supposed to be a really good color for olive skin tones. Let's actually see. This is in the shade Courage, which is the darker of the two olive tone ones that were recommended. Oh yeah. I cannot do a bronzer with any sort of reddish warmth to it. I got this from, where is this? Kiyoko Beauty, which is based in Canada. I think because it ships from Canada, it's super fast, and then you don't need to worry about tariffs, duties, taxes, anything like that. But they also had all the items that I really wanted to try. So the main reason why I ordered from there is because I want to try this by Celamax. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've seen so many different dermatologists on Instagram and TikTok talk about this, and this is a retinol shot tightening booster. So it has 0.1% retinol, which I think is actually the same as my Murad retinol that I've been using for probably the last 2 years and love. It is quite expensive though. This is only 15 mils, so it's half the size of the Murad, but this I believe was about $25, and it's been raved about. So I'm really excited to try this. I ended up getting two, one for me and one for Andrew because he also uses retinol. And then I picked this up, which is by Judy Doll, which I also have not tried this brand before. This is a dual eyebrow pencil. It's in the color gray brown because, again, any sort of warm tone brow pencil on me will be terrible. So, ooh, this is teeny tiny. So like I said, this is gray brown. Oh, perfect. You can see it there. This is perfect. I usually like a really ashy brown, or I'll go for a charcoal. And then this side is what? What is this side? Oh, like a brow gel on the other side. I think this was $6, so excited to try that out. I also got this heating moisture hand mask because my hands are so beat because of my job. I wash them all the time. So I'm excited to try this mask out. And then I picked this up for Andrew. This is by the brand, I think it's Nita. And again, read some really good things about this, I almost said handbag brand, about this brand. It's just a face lotion. This is quite sizable too. 100 mils, that's really good. And I think this is around $20. This is by the brand News. Okay, this is probably what I'm most excited for. So this is just called Down, and it is gray. But what it's meant to do is it's meant to cool down any sort of blush, lip gloss, bronzer that's too warm. Gray, I think it is it's full on gray. You add this to your bronzer and it makes it more of that muted, cooler tone. So I'm so excited to try this out. The last item is from Adidas. I do have another pair of shoes coming in. I have, I think, 2 more jackets coming in. I am an Adidas girl, or Adidas girl through and through. I used to think that I was a Nike girl. No, wrong. I'm an Adidas girl. So these, I kind of showed this in my other video, but not in this colorway. I got the Samba Janes in burgundy. So I was thinking, do I really need these now? Are they more of a fall color? But I think with light jeans, a white shirt, I think it could work because it has the white there. So love these. I got these in the correct size. So go with the same size that you buy in your Sambas. So I get a 7.5 in my Sambas. These, perfect. I would highly recommend the Samba Janes. I do already have them in the navy blue. I'll probably end up picking up the black as well in the kid size when it comes back in stock. But the kid size run, I think half a size smaller. I did show that. This as well is a little bit more narrow than my other Sambas, just the regular sneakers. So be aware of that. They run slightly more narrow, but again, I took my normal size 7.5, and the kids I'd size up. I think, I can't remember what I showed. I think I have to get a 6.5 in the kids instead of the 6. And that's everything I think I have to show you. So again, go and check out Ailier Madre. Go and check out their Instagram. They have so many fun shorts where they show how they make the handbags, especially all the ones that are woven. They have some that aren't woven, but the ones that are woven, it's so fun to see how they actually make their handbags. And I think that's just a really cool personal touch. And if you're into that, like I am, then I think you'll like their Instagram. But I will link this down below. I'll link everything down below. I know that there's a lot. And thank you for staying with me if you made it this far. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.